Hey everybody, welcome back and a Merry Christmas to all of y'all out there. So for Christmas I got these really cool baseball cards from my family, and I got too excited and I opened them out of the box, but I did not open up any packs. There are the Panini Mosaics, and each one has 4 cards in it. There are 7 base packs and then a bonus pack, which is what I'm excited for. And also from the same people, they gave me this I can't even fit it. This super nice binder for it, and my sister got a sticker machine, so I made a Brave sticker. So I'll definitely be putting these cards in that binder. And so here we go. This is my second pack opening. So we have the Mosaics. I really like the card art. Well, pack art, actually, yeah. So pack number 1. If I could open it. Ooh. We have an Anthony Rendon, a Salvador Perez. We have a Matt Olson, big fly, max distance 483 yard, and then we have an Alex Bregman launched card. Okay. These cards are a little whelped, but I'm gonna just put them in the binder and it will fix it. All right, getting into pack number 2. Okay, so we have a Devin Williams. We have a Jonathan India rookie card. A blue, what is it called? Ryan Mountcastle. Blue. It's an orange, man, I forget what those are called, but this one's very good. Do they have the tears on the back? No, they don't, but still. Very, very good card. And my favorite player, Ronald Acuna Jr., rookie, what the heck? But it's a hot sauce. I'm really stuck in this video. Pack number 3. So we have a Mike Yastrzemski. We have a Mickey Moniak. We have a vintage Wade Boggs from Boston, green parallel. And we have a vintage Monte Irvin. These are insert cards. The only way that they would be worth something is if, like, this one right here, which is a parallel or a shimmer or whatever it's called. I forget what they're called. Pack number 4. So we have a Jesse Winker, and it is behind 250 points. I have no clue what this is, but Panini Rewards. We have an Evan White rookie, and a big fly Joey Gallo 495-foot home run. Joey Gallo was one of my favorite players until he left Texas, and then he went to the Yankees, my friend's favorite team. Ooh, on the back I see a Brian Hayes. So we have a Donovan Solano, a Nick Neidert, a Travis Blankenhorn, and there it is, the debuts Brian Hayes. Oh, dang it. One of my personal favorite players, Randy Arozarena, Brent Rooker, a green parallel Frankie, and a Max Scherzer I don't know what this one is. It's an ace. Our last regular pack, which is pack number 7, before we get to the bonus one. We have an Anthony Santander. We have a Jack Morris, a Cal Ripken green refractor, I think that's what it's called, and a Launch Nelson Cruz. All right, that's all 7 of our regular packs. Now into our bonus silver pack. If I could open it. Oh my God, I cannot open it. On the back, we have a Ken Griffey Jr. card. Ooh, these are beautiful. We have a David Fletcher. We have a George Brett, a Taylor Trammell rookie, and there's the Ken Griffey Jr. all-time greats card. These are very, very cool cards. So that is it for the pack opening, and I'll see you back when I load. On to when we load them up. So the best cards out of this whole box, I feel like they had to be some of the blue ones, but also I liked this orange Ryan Mountcastle card. This, where is it? Of course, the Acuna. And where is that other one? The Frankie. And then the Taylor Trammell. Those are my top 4. And then I would also, if I had to do 5, I would probably have to say this Matt Olson. So those are my top 5 for this entire pack opening. So we have Matt Olson at number 5. This really cool Matt Olson. The Taylor Trammell. The Francisco Lindor. The Ronald Acuna Hot Sauce. And we have Ryan Mountcastle. So those are my favorite cards. Thank you for watching. Merry Christmas.